guys, it's Michelle. So I am just here very quickly for another wig review, and this is a short style, and I don't tend to wear short styles very often, but this is really gorgeous. Now this wig is part of the Jon Renau HD launch 2024, part one of the launch, and this wig is called Luna. Luna is just really gorgeous pixie short. I'm wearing shade 12 FS8, which is shaded praline, which is one of the most popular blondes. Now she is heat friendly fibre, she's an average size of cap. I will insert the links for you guys here. This is her from box. I've not changed the styling because I wanted you to see how she looks from box. Because she's heat friendly, you can obviously use your styling tools. Now with Luna we have this really gorgeous kind of lace front here, so you can style her off the face if you want to kind of, what I sometimes would do is I do crazy things like this kind of stuff with like the front and put some product in, but I also like kind of just having it nice and smooth and sleek. I tend to not be up for too much kind of volume around the top personally, just as a personal opinion for myself. So what I was going to maybe do was use my straighteners and just flatten it down a bit, but that's why I haven't done it yet, because I wanted you guys to see how she looks from box and how she just is as she comes. Now I know that sometimes people think with shorter styles you cannot have so much of kind of variation with what you do with your hair. Now this does have your gorgeous lace front, otherwise it's a basic cap. There is some permatease, it's not huge amounts of permatease, and it doesn't, you don't really, you don't see it doesn't poke through, and it's just to give that bit of volume there. I'm not really so into that, so I tend to usually steam as much of the permatease flat as I can, but yeah, this is how she comes. Now you can obviously, what I like to do sometimes is stick a wee clip in or something, or I'll maybe do like a wee French braid and just play around with it, which I like. You can obviously tuck behind your ears, or you can have all that length forward. Okay, so there we go. I have just run my straighteners, my flat irons over this just to kind of smooth it down slightly, and just I like it a wee bit more sleek. That's just my personal kind of style that I like with these kind of shorter cuts, just for myself. So yeah, but that's the thing, you have the kind of versatility with the heat friendly fibre, and if I decide I want to have a ton of volume, it's very easy for me to grab a kind of, you know, like brush and hair dryer or whatever, just to add that volume back, and I can change it up whenever I want because it is heat friendly. It's very easy to do so. I just really love this. I think it's so natural. I love that it just sits so flush at the side of your head. There's not huge volume, which sometimes you can have with certain short styles, especially if it is more of a basic cap, but you definitely don't have this. I mean, like, it just sits so flush with my head, you would not know that it's a wig. It is really beautiful, and like we've said, we do have that gorgeous lace front, so that if I did want to kind of push it back, or like kind of stick clips in, or do a wee braid, or like more likely add product and just have it up, then I can do that, and it will just look so natural. Now it's an average size of cap. I will show you the inside of the cap because this is a basic cap. We have the amazing ear-to-ear lace front, as we've already said there for you guys, which allows the off-the-face styling. It allows for air circulation here. You do have this very basic cap, so there's no natural parting in top. You've got your open wefts, sides, backs, your velvet nape with your velcro adjusters, and your velvet ear tabs. It is just really beautiful. The quality is absolutely insane. It is so good. This is the 12 FS8 shaded praline, which is one of the most, if not the most popular Jon Renau blonde. It's not one that I ever really go for personally, and have never gone for, and decided I wanted to go for it in Luna. Because I do like the dark route. I like the kind of I like the 8 route, and I will sometimes wear more neutral blondes now than I used to. I used to only wear blonde if it was like super cool bluey lilac-y type blonde. But yeah, this is really gorgeous. It's really natural, and I'll probably wear it as well with like sticking a headband over here, like, and just have it, the front, the layering and everything is just done so well. A wee clip here is probably also, that's a kind of, if I do wear a shorter wig, I often like to pop a wee clip in and just have that kind of swooped over, but I like to have some fringe over to the side and a wee bit down, and just to see a little bit of length there against my face. It is really beautiful. It's so well made, and I love the kind of way they've got the back done, and it's almost looks stacked without being crazy volume. If you look from the side, the kind of silhouette you see, it's really pretty, and from the back, and it's just off the neck, really comfortable, really beautiful, and it's so natural. It is such a gorgeous style. I really like Luna. They have done such an amazing job with Luna. So this is Luna by John & O, and it is available to order. It's heat friendly fibre. What I should have said in the other videos, with your John & O heat friendly, you do get a comb. These are the only things, these are the only combs that you should be using on your heat friendly wigs. So I have, you get that with your wig if you purchase an HD wig from John & O. This comes with the HD wigs at the moment, and you've got your wee kind of care guides card, care and styling guide, tells you, and it actually covers like human hair there, it covers your synthetic fibres as well, but on the back you have your HD fibre, which is what this is. Really beautiful, really gorgeous, and I absolutely recommend it. The quality is insane, the fibres feel so beautiful, it is just lovely, it looks so natural. Yeah, so thanks John & O, very exciting, and guys, I'm going to head off now. I will be back soon with more wig reviews, and take care, keep sparkling, be your own beautiful. Mwah.